Hey guys, I'm Barry with Empty Hammock. I want to show you a good way to get free food for your chickens and ducks. This is one of the spectricide bag-a-bug things. Every time we get Japanese beetles that come in, we get one of these. You can see just a couple of days, it's just about completely full of bugs. I get a pot with a little bit of water in it. I take the bugs, they go crazy over it. I put the water in it so that they don't immediately fly away, and it works really well. They absolutely love it. It's like candy to them. They fight over it. It's great. Thanks. Oh, see now what you did. See, you knocked it over. Go ahead, get him. Get him. Thanks for watching, guys. Take it easy. Ah.